Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Today I want to show all of you that have been following me with my sewing tutorials or my 101 easy sewing approach to sewing and turning them into valuable crafts or something that you can utilize, because what's the use of doing something if you can't do something with it? Like just practicing sewing down lines is a bit boring. So here's another easy sewing project. I'm going to show you how to turn this man's tie into a really handy little pouch to keep your sunglasses or your eyeglasses into. Oops, just a bit rough there, but pretty much it is I just want you to know that it's the best thing that I've invented in quite some time, because I've got lots of sunglasses and just putting them into the bag is not a good idea because the glass gets all scratched and then you can't wear them. So I've made lots and lots of these because my husband, had lots of ties and he doesn't wear them anymore. So I thought, oh, I'll have those. So anyway, any type of tie you desire, it's got to be big enough though that when you push your glasses into there, it's wide enough to actually hold them. Now, the first thing you're going to do is put your glasses into there, and then that is going to fold over to there. Then you need to come along here and feel where the glass finishes, and you're going to need a couple of centimetres beyond there. So it's just a matter of, there's my glasses, that's going to be my wee flap to turn down. There's where it finishes, and I'm going to need, as I said, another couple of centimetres beyond that. Now, cutting that across there nice and straight, take the glasses out, put my glasses on. Now what we're going to do is we are going to do a little push that into there, and you'll need about a centimetre, putting that into there, laying it down flat to make sure that if you've got a centimetre on this side, you've got a centimetre on the other side. You'll need your pins, and you need to put a pin through there to hold it, a pin through there, and a pin through there. Now, when you've done that, just make sure that both of your little edges are nice and even. Then what you need to do is to go to your sewing machine, and you will need matching thread, but because I've had some interesting comments, I've had lots of comments about we couldn't really see what you were doing, Astar, I'm going to use black thread. So going over to your sewing machine, bringing, and like for those of you who are new to sewing, in the manual that comes with your sewing machine, they do give you full instructions on how to load up the bobbin. And I think somewhere in all of the videos that I've got up, there is a tutorial on how to thread up your sewing machine. Right, from there, let's just sew this across here. I'm going to put my stitch length to about 2.5, taking that over, taking the needle and inserting that, and I'm just using like just a couple of mils to close across there, and it's just a matter of, and then back stitching, and then just running all the way across. Oops, and after me telling you on more than one occasion, remove the pins, I did it myself, naughty Astar, taking it, sewing across to almost the edge. When you're almost at the edge, get your little foot and back stitch to close that off. Now when you're lifting up, releasing the fabric just by pulling it through, cutting off that edge and cutting off that edge there, and you can see that what I should have done is to have ironed that to make that nice and flat, so that those two seams there were nice and flat. If you wanted to, you could turn the whole thing inside out, but hey, look, it's just to hold the glasses, for goodness sake, so that will do for now. Then it's just a matter of getting your glasses, inserting those into the cavity, and then getting some magic dots. I love these Velcro dots. We'll take one off, and then we'll get the other one here. And then what I like to do is to stick them both together like so. Bring that up to that point. It's very sticky. Bring that to there, and then just fold that down, and then just give that a wee push there, and that will close your glasses. And to make sure that it is fully closed, just take the glasses out and give that a good push to just make sure that that is closed down, so it's not going to lift off the other side. And you could, if you wanted to just put a little something into there and just do a little stitch around there, but honestly you don't need to do that because that's all that it needs. So there we have tie to glasses case. And with this, well, I don't know what I'm going to do. Hold on, just a minute. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I'm not going to throw it out because it'll probably come in handy for something else. I hope that I have been of assistance to you, all of those of you who are learning to sew, and I hope that you are all walking those steps to be able to create a frock or a dress, which we will approach in due course. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all again another day.